On March 11, 2011, Japan experienced a 9.0 magnitude earthquake, which led to a tsunami that traveled more than 10 miles inland. Between the earthquake and the tsunami, about 23,000 people were killed. As of fall 2012, 173,200 people are still living in shelters, therefore a need for relief shelters remains. To help solve Japan's continued need for disaster relief shelters, we designed this 390 square foot shelter that can be easily transported and assembled while still providing safety and comfort to its inhabitants. Wanting to create a shelter that its residents could really control and personalize, we were inspired by Connect's toys and came up with the idea of a grid system that runs along the walls that modular storage units can click into, thus allowing the resident to create a space suitable for them during this hard time. How it works. A disaster relief group will prepare the land where shelters will be placed. Then the shelters will be shipped folded up and placed on their elevated foundations, and you push a button. The roof raises up, all four walls fold up and are secured at the corners, and the roof lowers and snaps onto the walls. The plumbing and kitchen appliances are installed by a team, and then its residents can set up their space to their liking with the modular components included. Solar panels cover the roof and provide primary electricity. A backup generator is also provided. The roof is slanted to collect rainwater, and a BRAE rainwater harvesting system is used to collect, filter, store, and pump water into the shelter. A compost for trash is connected outside, and a composting toilet is included inside. The exterior is made of recycled metal to withstand the natural elements. Thermosteel panels are used in our exterior walls for insulation and to prevent heat loss. An alcove is built into the wall left of the entrance for the possibility of a green wall to contribute to indoor air quality. A trombe wall is included to retain heat during the day and release it during the night through phase-changing materials. Here you can see our floor plan and the different ways one could configure it depending on what they would want to do. The Japanese like to feel grounded, so to create that feeling in our space, we placed our beds low to the ground and also provided mats and floor cushions since many Japanese prefer the tatami mats. Privacy screens commonly used among the Japanese are included in the modular units, so they have flexibility as to where they want their privacy. We applied a product called Winks to the bottom of the beds to create an interactive dry erase board for children, family bonding, and educational purposes. Even though Japan is known for their extremely low crime rates, we still included clear story windows to maintain privacy and security while also letting light in. Simple lines and subdued colors were selected after researching Japanese culture to create a familiar living space. The greatest virtues are those which are most useful to other persons.